Academic Excellence Awardee with honors.
Welcome to my first ever mini vlog. Today is my second son's recognition day. Proud moment. Ang reason kung ba tayo umaura in my previous vlog, please watch it. So, naka-line up na kami and may konting-konting picture with the boys. Unfortunately, nasira yung heels ko but ready tayo. Bumalik ako sa parking to get a new pair. Watch vlog number 5 para malaman nyo ba't maganda yung hair ko. And I asked him to smile. Naging emotional ako nung makita ko yung chair kasi LDR kami ni Hubby. Ang cute nila together, diba? Nag-start na yung marching ng by grades and then followed by the doxology and of course the Philippine National Anthem. Speeches from the hardworking school administrators and special numbers from different grades. This is such a proud moment. My son has been a consistent honor student since grade 1. I'm so proud of him. For the record, I'm proud of my 3 boys. I don't pressure them na mag-aral masyado. Okay na sa akin basta pasado lang sila. Extra and bonus na lang talaga pag may mga awards. Thank you, San Ildefonso Learning Center, for my son's quality education.
Thank you so much po and God bless us all.
That's Teacher G, my son's advisor. So, konting picture and then driving na ako to pick up our family so we can celebrate and have lunch together. That's all. Thank you so much for watching.